All right, we got Mike in. Mike's suffering from some low back pain. So Mike's never been adjusted, correct? And Mike has migraines and low back pain. And just relax, let your head drop. Did you have any headaches right now? Do you have a mild headache?
Yeah.
Is it still there?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how long that takes. Let me know if it ever goes away. I'm gonna set my stopwatch right now. So boom. That headache still there? Where's the back pain at? Right there. Where we at on that headache? Still there? Going away? 2 minutes, 11 seconds. All right, back pain, we're good. Headache, gone.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, we got Mike in. Mike's suffering from some low back pain. So he got sent in. Somebody took care of him. Somebody got him a gift, okay? So Mike's never been adjusted, correct? And Mike has migraines and low back pain. So we can see if we can help out with the migraines and the low back pain, even though he didn't come in for the migraines. Let's see what we can do. Now, Mike, what I want you to do is put your feet out like this for me. Palms up. And just relax. Let your head drop for me. Let your head drop. Let your head drop for me. There you go. Let it drop to my hand. Just let this head drop. Let it drop to my hand. Let it drop. Let it drop. Did you have any headaches right now?
I have a mild headache.
You have a mild headache?
Yeah.
Is it still there?
Yeah. Right on my right temple.
Right temple? All right, let's see how long that takes. Let's see where it's at. Let me know if it ever goes away. I'm gonna set my stopwatch right now. All right. So boom. That headache still there? A little? All right, just relax for me. There you go. Where's the back pain at? Right there. Good. Where we at on that headache? Still there? Going away? 2 minutes, 11 seconds. Not bad. Just relax on the mic, just relax. Just relax. Just relax. Good. How's the back pain?
Feel better. Feel loose.
All right, back pain, we're good. Headache, gone. Oh shit. Sorry about that. All right, stand on up, see how you feel? How you feel?
20 pounds younger. Appreciate it, man.
Now you ready to get back on the field?
Yeah.
All right.
I ain't ready to coach. I ain't ready to play. I'm done.
All right, there it is then.